I welcome you once again to the Micromark Workshop. I'm Vince, and today I brought with you our 86781 51-piece Master Technician's Precision Set. Our website doesn't give us a perspective on how big it is and what you're looking at, so I brought it in out here so you can actually take a look on just how nicely it's made and the general size of it. It comes with a heavy-duty metal stand and all of the holes and all of the tools to fill all these 51 slots. You're going to get 51 drivers with this set. You're going to get slotted drivers, where you're going to get 6 of them. Phillips drivers, you're going to get 4. Pentalobe drivers for Apple products, for opening and closing of the cases for different Apple products. You're going to get a chip lifter. You're going to get a set of 10 hex drivers. You're going to get a set of 5 metric hex drivers. The other previous ones were inch hex drivers, of which there were 10. You're going to get 10 Torx bit drivers, and you're also going to get a set of nut drivers. Wiha supplies them in the bags, separately marked, so you see which ones you're getting. How you want to load your particular stand is up to you. I've started with all of the slotted, and then the Phillips bits, and then the chip lifter, which I'm going to pull out, which has a different color cap on it. This can be used for prying up miniature nails, chips. It's a pretty useful tool. I've used it a couple times myself just last week. I then loaded the different hex drivers, metric and standard. I then loaded all the Torx drivers, and I finished up with my nut drivers on this side. That way it kept it organized where I know where every tool is going to be. And from front to back, it's the smallest sizes to the bigger sizes of each set. Nicely well-made tool by Wiha. One other footnote regarding this Precision 51-piece set is I see that Wiha is now including a piece of foam rubber with identical holes to match up where the drivers go into the stand. It does have a removable backing on it, so this is pressure-sensitive adhesive. I imagine it would go right over the top. It does cover up their name. Unfortunate. You could probably cut that off if you wanted to leave that out there. But maybe they've done this so that when you put the tools in, it protects them a little bit better and it keeps them standing up straight. So this is something that Wiha is now doing that was unknown to us, but I make it known to you.